So here's part 2, baby. This is another board I had. I took the MCU from it already. And here's another one. I need that MCU. See this one? Let's see if I can zoom in on this one. So here you have it. It is a PIC16 F73. Now the thing about this stuff, you don't get at mails like this, at megas like this on these types of boards. You know? PIC is very popular on certain appliances you may find around your way. I ill-treated that board already. So this is another one I took off from one of these cube boxes. It's a PIC16 F73. That's the type you get from this board, 73s. Okay? 73s. That's what you get from these boards. Yep. Now you can get some PIC73s from China for cheap. But if you don't have the possibility, you can get some PICs around your way. You can get 2 PICs for about $4 from China. 2 PIC16 73s. I don't know if I said this before, but PIC16 F84s, I just don't get these. PIC16 F628s, I don't get these, so I had to buy some. But these, I take them for practice. I know I can mess them up if something happens. I did not buy them. You know, just for practice. So, if you don't have PIC microcontrollers and you want to have some fun, get a couple of UPS, open them up. Out of 5, you might get 2. Make your JDM if you don't have a PIC kit. Win PIC 800 and you're ready to go. And AFP.CONNEX is out.